This easiest Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy helped me to make over this much money within 1 month. This is a new method I just discovered, so I'm excited to share it with you. Pinterest affiliate marketing is honestly one of the best way to make full-time income online. Only working a few hours a day, literally anyone can do it and you don't have to show your face. So there are 5 steps to make this much money a month on Pinterest. Along the way, I'll share my pro tip that will take your money making strategy to the next level. The first step is to analyze trends on Pinterest to see what content you can post that can go viral. Step 2 is to find affiliate links that can pay you $30 to $100 and beyond. Step 3 is to create viral content on Pinterest that promotes your affiliate links. And I'm actually going to show you how you can use AI to create images just like this one. I just recently discovered this, so I'm excited to share with you. Step 4 is to generate SEO-friendly blog posts using Google Gemini that can actually rank on Google. Step 5 is to post content on medium.com which can showcase all your affiliate links. Now let's go over step 1, which is to analyze trends on Pinterest. This is so important because if you create content around something that's already trending, you're likely to get a lot of views and obviously make more money. So perform a Google search for Pinterest trend and then click on the first link in order to access this website. You're going to need a Pinterest account, so make sure create that and make sure you create your business Pinterest account. Okay, so when you go on Pinterest, you can see what's really popular right now. Here you can see some trending topics related to affiliate marketing like outfit, fashions and kitchen. These topics are trending on Pinterest right now, but if you don't want to make content about them, no worries. These are some other topics I recommend you to look into. Side hustle, make money online, home decor, cooking, health and fitness, all do really well on Pinterest as well. So create a Pinterest account around one of those topics, but if you don't really like any of them, maybe you should think about focusing on doing side hustle, making money online niche. Even if it's not really your favorite thing, the money you can make from it can be really good. There are a lot of other ways to earn money through affiliate links on these topics, so it's worth considering. So once you have picked up your topic, the next step is to actually find high-paying affiliate links. My favorite way to find high-paying affiliate links is by using partnerstack.com. Here you can find a lot of different high-ticket, high-quality online business-related products and services to promote as affiliate. Whatever affiliate program you choose, it basically works like this. Find the sign up button or get started button and click on it, and then enter your email address, and then you click on continue, and then you just grab your affiliate link. With PartnerStack, there is actually a chance your account doesn't get approved right away. So far, whatever reason, let's say your account doesn't get approved. I honestly just recommend you to start posting more content on Pinterest, and then one day you can apply again, maybe 1 month or 2 months later, and then you'll have higher chance to getting approved since they'll see that your Pinterest account is pretty active. But once you do have access to PartnerStack, there are thousands of different affiliate links. It is a great platform. They all pay very well, but here if you click on the marketplace and then look into the category section, you will see a bunch of different topics that may be related to what you want, and there you can find high paying affiliate links. For example, if you post e-commerce related content, then you can click on e-commerce and it is going to show you a bunch of products and services to promote. I also do recommend you to check out Amazon Associate, ClickBank and Digistore24 to find affiliate links. The pro tip that I like to share with you is if you're using partnerstack.com as affiliate network, you can see the email addresses of the people you refer to your affiliate products. And if you're able to see your affiliate customer email addresses, that means you can retarget them with email marketing. Email marketing basically a form of digital marketing that uses emails to promote products and services to existing and potential customers. And this is a great way to boost your income, and it will also help you to grow your business, or you can say your social media platforms. You can go to omnisend.com and they have a free plan for lifetime as well. This is a platform where you can send emails to your existing customer. Omnisend's powerful automations are like having a personal assistant for your marketing. And don't just take my words for it. A lot of people on Trustpilot, Shopify and WordPress are talking about Omnisend and they are super happy. 89% of them give it a perfect score. Actually, Omnisend is a popular and powerful email and SMS platform built for e-commerce brands. With it, you can send emails, text messages and push notifications all in one place. Plus, you can set it up to do everything automatically, even you are busy with other things. Their award-winning customer support is available to help you 24/7, no matter which plan you choose. Give it a try, just click the link below in the video description and sign up. Now let's move to the next step, which is start posting content on Pinterest. Luckily, you can actually use AI to create images for you. This is pretty simple and easy to do, and I just discovered it myself, so I'm excited to share it with you. You are going to be using Canva to create your AI generated content, and I'm going to leave a link for Canva in the video description if you want to try it for free. On Canva, you can search for Pinterest pin and you can select any of these free Pinterest pin, or you can do one thing. On Pinterest, search for your topic and see what type of content is currently popular there and try to replicate. Once you have an idea in mind, go back to Canva and select an existing design, or you can create a blank project with 1080 by 9020 size for Pinterest pin. Since we will be using AI to generate images, we don't really need an existing design, though in some case it can be useful to customize your existing Pinterest template. To generate AI images, look for Magic Media inside your customization section in the left hand side. You may have to go inside the app section to find Magic Media. Once you find it, select it. Here you have to type a prompt to generate images. You can type anything you want. For example, I'm going to type laptop, coins and money on wooden table, and then simply press enter. You can see we got few images. If you're not happy with this result, you can generate them again. Once you find the images that you're looking for, click on it and add inside your design. You can add text, stickers and other elements to finish your design. Once you're done making your Pinterest design, download it. Now you can essentially use Canva to design anything you want. And one important thing you are going to need is logo. And we can use Canva AI to create a logo for us. So if you click on logos, you can see a bunch of different templates that you can use. To generate a logo, I'm gonna type something like create a logo for making money online with AI, make this yellow and aesthetic, and press enter. Now here you can see how good these images are. You are free to use these AI generated images. You can add some text if you want, which I think is a great way to spice things up. And finally, download this logo and upload to your Pinterest profile picture. Now let's move to the next step, which is generate SEO-friendly blog post using Google Gemini. Google Gemini is an AI language model that is now competing with ChatGPT, and it's made by Google. It is something really gives you way better result than ChatGPT, and it also gives you some features that paid version of ChatGPT has, but for completely free, which is pretty cool. So what you can do is just go to Google Gemini and you can enter this prompt that you can find in the video description. All you need to do is just insert your topic here and press enter. It will write 100% unique SEO optimized article just like a human. Sometimes it may not write complete article, so in that case you may have to ask Gemini to please complete it. Additionally, you may need to ask Gemini once again, have you completed it? Something like that. As you can see, we have 100% unique SEO optimized article just like human. Now copy this entire article and go to medium.com, create an account and log in. Now click on this right button and paste your article that has been written by Google Gemini. Once you paste your entire article, add your product affiliate links in the way that makes sense. You can do this by typing the text about your product and then link the text to your affiliate product page. Remember, integration affiliate links should feel like natural. For instance, if you're promoting health and fitness, link direct to those items within your article. These strategies apply to any niche, whether it's fashion, fitness, gaming, making money online, or anything else. Post this article on this platform and then copy the Medium article link. This Medium article not only brings traffic from Medium and Google searches, but also help you to grow your Pinterest account. So far, we have created Pinterest pin, profile picture, and 100% unique SEO optimized article with the help of AI. And we have also posted this article on medium.com as well. To ensure this strategy's success, you must optimize your Pinterest account by including the keywords that attracts people interest in your niche. For instance, if I'm targeting health and fitness, I'll incorporate relevant keywords in my name and bio. To edit your profile, simply click on Edit Profile button and add the information in the About section. You can also use my second prompt for profile optimization that you can find in the video description. Go back to Google Gemini, paste your prompt, just insert your topic here and press enter. Now you will get a perfect bio for your Pinterest account. Now it's time to post Pinterest pin. Go to pinterest.com, go to your profile and then click on create. Add your image, title, description, tag. Add this image to board or you can create a new one. And finally, the most important thing is make sure to add your Medium article link here. So with that, people read the article first before buying the product from your affiliate links. And remember this, these strategies require time, effort and hard work. Your Pinterest account might take time to grow, but once it's done, it can become a great source of passive income. I've used this strategy to earn this much money and hope you find this information valuable. If so, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.